Claire walks toward him and touches his hand. It is warm, steady, strong. Yet she feels a small tremble. Jamie tries to hide it. He always tries to be strong for her. But Claire knows him better than anyone. Outside, the wind grows louder. The title, Coming Home, sounds simple. But in this scene, home does not feel simple. It feels fragile. Like glass that can break at any moment. Jamie tells Claire that the world beyond the ridge is changing fast. Armies are moving. Loyalties are shifting. He says a storm is coming. But he is not just talking about war. He is talking about something bigger. Something that could tear families apart. Claire listens carefully. And for a moment, she almost tells him something. Something important. Her lips part. Her eyes fill with fear. But she stops. She keeps the secret inside. Because Claire has seen signs again. Small signs. The past and the future touching each other in strange ways. And if what she feels is true, coming home might not mean staying. It might mean preparing to say goodbye. The camera slowly moves to the fire. The flames flicker hard, almost like a warning. Jamie pulls Claire close. They stand together in silence. Strong. United. But even in this warm embrace, the tension does not disappear. This is not just a reunion scene. It is the calm before something powerful. Something heartbreaking. Something that will test their love once again. And as the scene fades, one question remains: is this the last time Jamie Fraser truly comes home? The night Jamie Fraser came home, something felt different, and Claire knew it. The wind moved softly through the trees at Fraser's Ridge. The fire inside the cabin burned low. It should have been a peaceful night. After everything they survived, after every war and every loss, this moment was supposed to feel safe. But safety is something that never stays long in their world. In this exclusive sneak peek from Outlander Season 8, titled Coming Home, we see Jamie walking slowly toward the cabin. His steps are heavy. His face is calm, but his eyes tell another story. He is not just coming home to a place. He is coming home to a life that may soon change forever. Claire stands by the window. She watches him before he even reaches the door. She feels it again, that strange pull in her chest. The same feeling she had before every big change in her life. Before Culloden. Before the Stones called her. Before she left him once before. When Jamie opens the door, there is no dramatic music. No loud sound. Just silence. He looks at Claire. Claire looks at him. They smile, but only for a second. Something unspoken hangs between them. Jamie says he is glad to be home. He says it softly, like a man who has fought too many battles. But the way he looks around the cabin feels almost like he is memorizing it. The table. The chair. The fire. As if he is afraid he may lose it all.